Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Windows 10 from the Home language version to the Pro version to experience more full features. My computer is running Windows 10 Home. Here's how to upgrade from Home to Pro. First, you download the ISO Windows 10 file on your computer and save it to another drive C. Then you save it to drive E. If you don't know how to load, you can see how to upload yourself at the link in the video description. Because my computer is 64-bit, I have preloaded the 64-bit version. To see how many bits you have installed on the computer, go to the information section of the computer part system type. If you are installing an x64-bit operating system, then the machine you are installing is 64-bit. And for an x86 or x32-bit operating system, it is 32-bit. Next, you need to download the Winrar software and install it. If you already have it installed, you don't need to load and install it. The software link and installation instructions are also in the description of the video. After the installation, you select the ISO file, then right-click on Select Winrar, and then select Extract to Win10 English x64. Why do you have to unlock? Because when it is impossible to open the ISO files, you wait for the uncompressor to come out, the uncompression is completed, and a folder with the name of the file is called ISO. You close the window. Next, you go back to the main screen to the Windows icon, then select the setting. Here, you select the Update and Security, then find the Recovery and click Select. In this recovery, you choose the Restart Now of the Advanced Startup, and the machine will restart to enter the setup mode. Here, you choose to troubleshoot. In this section, there are two options, Reset this PC, and the Advised option. You select the option, then select the command prompt, and the machine will restart and go to the command prompt mode. Here, you click on the account name to enter. If the machine you have set the password for does not have one, it will leave it empty, and then you can choose to continue. The window enters the command display. You will type the commands to enter the settings. You type from the notepad and then press enter to open the page. Next, you select File and select Open, which will open the folder window containing the drives and files on the machine. If you click Select on this PC, the drive name may not appear as it was originally because there are additional WinBoot drives. You will find a saved drive folder containing the Windows installation file that can be opened on each drive. When you find the saved installed file, you click to open the folder containing the installed Win10 file because you have not selected all files, so the file setup is hidden. To display all files, you select all files of the file type. After selecting all files, they are already displayed. Here you click on the setup file, then right-click on it, then select Run as Administrator. When the window installs, you leave the default and select Next. Then choose Install Now to accept the settings. The machine will check and, into the setting, will appear the Activate Windows cell. If you have a key active, then enter No, then select the I don't have a product key. You will select the version of Windows. You will select the Windows 10 Pro version, then click Next, click on I accept to accept Windows accounts. And then choose Next, select the Custom Install Only Windows. Here are the partitional areas to choose the drive to install the drive from the drive, GB drive, then the name of the driver will check the total capacity of the window size of free, check the size of the drive is 99, if you want to get this data on the window, and if it is installed from the driver type GB, it will be shifted to the type of Windows 89. You need to keep an eye on the lightning to avoid data loss. Next, you select drives with less than 1 GB of storage to delete them from the default. The machine has 3 partitions. You click Select, and selecting Delete will show up as a message. You choose OK to delete, and delete is done. The same partitions are back to default. After deleting the partitions by default, you click on the Windows installer drive, then select the format to clean the drive, similar to the one you used to select OK, and then select that drive. Select Next to proceed with the installation. The machine will proceed with the copy and set you to wait for the machine to install for 15 to 20 minutes, so the patch will turn fast. After the installation, the machine will restart. Go to the basic configuration mode, select the region you want by default, and then select Yes. The language of the keyboard will also be the default, so choose Yes, and the next one will ask you if you want to add more keyboards or if you want to skip. The network part is that if you connect via Wi-Fi, then connect again. The machine connects by wire, so it will automatically connect. Let the machine check and update the setup. As you wait for the machine to complete, go to the account on which you are using your personal computer, select Setup for personal use, then select Next. Here, if you have a Microsoft account, enter it or not, select Off in account, then select Limited Experience, or you can disconnect to skip this step. Next, you name your computer and then select Next, this password. If you set it, you type it in and remember to enter it when logged into the computer, but you do not want to set it empty, and then you choose Next, then Accept to continue. This option you choose to skip, the Let Cortana item you choose Not Now or Accept, you wait for the setup machine to install, not to turn off. Setup and installation finished in Windows. After entering Windows, you need to turn off the weather forecast to avoid the state of the taskbar. You right-click on the taskbar, select New and Interests, select Turn Off, then compact the taskbar. Another thing is that you should go to Windows Update in the settings to update the updates of Windows as well as drivers for the computer. So I've taught you how to upgrade your computer from Home to Pro. If you see or like, share and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.